Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Redmi Note 10 Pro. You know this smartphone. I've talked about it a couple of times on this channel and I love this smartphone. Now since the past couple of weeks, I was searching for a good Android 13 ROM for the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Android 13 has been out there for some time and there are custom ROMs available for the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So I installed a few, didn't like them, but finally landed on the right one. So this is PixelOS based on Android 13 for the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Not Pixel Experience, but PixelOS. You see, installing a custom ROM is an incredible experience. You can literally change the entire software of your smartphone and give it a new look or a new birth if you may. And the custom ROM development community is awesome, like a big fat thumbs up to all the developers out there who work on custom ROMs. Now installing PixelOS was a different experience as compared to other custom ROMs. They provide you with a custom recovery as well, and it is recommended to use that recovery itself if you want to install PixelOS. So first I had to flash that recovery via fastboot and then I had to sideload the ROM using ADB. The experience was smooth. I followed the instructions given by the developer and within minutes I had PixelOS running on my Redmi Note 10 Pro. So how is the experience of using PixelOS based on Android 13 on the Redmi Note 10 Pro? Well, it is awesome. First up, let me quickly show you that it is Android 13. So we'll jump into settings, about phone, Android version, and you can see for yourself that it is in fact Android 13. If we talk about the security patch, it is November 5, 2022. Now what about the features? Well, everything is working and I have not noticed any major issues with this ROM whatsoever. It's a stock Android ROM and you do get all the stock Android 13 features with this ROM. Stock Android 13 does not add a lot of new features, but it is a refined experience as compared to stock Android 12. Like the entire OS feels more polished and smooth. So that's the main thing with Android 13, improvements in performance and stability, and you can see them with this ROM as well. The performance for me has been really smooth. Talking about smooth, there is support for 120Hz as well. So when you go to settings, display settings, you can force 120Hz all the time. So if you want 120Hz all the time, then you can do that. I have enabled it because that will give you the best experience. You should do it too if you install this ROM. As far as biometric authentication goes, you get the fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner is working absolutely fine. It is embedded on the power button, works really well, it's fast and accurate, and you also get face unlock. Now face unlock is a welcome feature over here because it is extremely fast, works really well and unlocks your smartphone in a jiff. Now here's one interesting thing. This ROM comes with the MIUI camera application. Yes, MIUI camera application and not some crappy basic camera application, and that is a big fat thumbs up from my side. The MIUI camera app works really well with this ROM on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So if you want to shoot good photos and videos with this ROM, you are sorted because you do get the MIUI camera application pre-installed. But if you want to, you can install Google Camera as well. I will make sure to drop a link to the latest Google Camera for the Redmi Note 10 Pro in the description box below. You can go ahead and download it regardless of which ROM you are on. So even if you're on MIUI, you can download Google Camera and use it to click some awesome photos. Now what about battery life? Well, battery life has been really good with this ROM. I did not notice any battery drain or whatsoever. I'm a normal light user and for my usage it easily lasted me throughout the day with some juice left towards the end of the day as well. Like I would end the day with 20 to 25% battery left, which is very good in my opinion. Now with this ROM I could not get fast charging, so I tried a USB PD charger and the stock charger as well, but I could not get fast charging. The charging is slow with this ROM. Apart from that, everything else is working. So Wi-Fi, Bluetooth speakers, everything is working, and you also get Widevine L1 certification. So if you want to watch HD content on OTT platforms, then you can definitely do so with the Redmi Note 10 Pro on the PixelOS ROM based on Android 13. Now let's get to the common questions. Do UPI applications work with this ROM? Yes, UPI applications are working with this ROM. Should you use UPI applications? Custom ROMs are open source and everyone can see the code, and if you download custom ROMs from trusted websites, then there is no problem in using UPI applications. But with that being said, if you have a lot of money in your bank account, then it is not safe to use UPI itself. Do not use UPI if you have a lot of money in your bank account. Just stay away from it. Now, before you install this custom ROM on your Redmi Note 10 Pro, you need to have a couple of prerequisites. First up, you need to unlock the bootloader of your smartphone, and second up, you need to have a custom recovery installed. If you don't know how to do these things, then do not worry. I have an article on my website. It will give you a step-by-step guide on how to do these things. So definitely check it out. I will link it below. And I am working on a video which will explain to you how to unlock the bootloader and install a custom recovery. So that video is coming very soon. soon. If you want it sooner, then please let me know about it in the comment section down below. Now, as always, all the necessary files will be linked in the description box below, so definitely check it out. So anyway, that's been it. Do let me know what do you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.